Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 Hyundai i10 Premium. This car comes with the 1 litre petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, returning up to 50 miles to the gallon. A low insurance group of just 4, so ideal for new drivers, and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 10,000 miles and comes with full service history. This stunning colour is called the Aqua Turquoise and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you also have the nice clean interior and the two-tone seats there. There's 2 cup holders in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen in the centre for your Apple Carplay, DAB radio and Bluetooth. A few other features I can mention: the car also has air conditioning, heated front seats and a heated steering wheel for the winter months, cruise control on the right hand side of the steering wheel, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card you then have your electric mirror and 4 window controls. For a small hatchback, the i10 still has a good amount of legroom and headroom in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. And opening the tailgate reveals the rear seats that can be folded flat and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got some extra storage there, as well as your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with front fog lights, the 16-inch alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions, or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.